This is one of 16 mini-lectures in the Know Your Minerals series. These audio-based presentations let you listen and learn anytime. Each episode covers what a vitamin does, where to find it, and why it matters. Don't forget to grab your free PDF fact sheet, link in the pinned comment. Let's begin. Today, we're talking about phosphorus, a vital mineral that plays a key role in bone health, energy production, and DNA formation. After calcium, it's the second most abundant mineral in the body, making up about 1% of your total body weight. So, what does phosphorus do? How much do you need? And which foods provide the best sources? Let's break it down. What phosphorus does? Phosphorus is involved in several essential functions, including bone and teeth health. About 85% of the phosphorus in your body is found in your bones and teeth, working alongside calcium to keep them strong. Energy production. It's a key component of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the energy-carrying molecule that fuels every cell in your body. DNA and RNA formation. Phosphorus is necessary to build and maintain your genetic material. Cell repair and growth. Every cell in your body needs phosphorus to function, grow, and repair itself. Acid-base balance. It helps maintain the body's pH balance, preventing it from becoming too acidic or too alkaline. Nerve and muscle function. Phosphorus plays a role in muscle contractions and nerve signaling. Without phosphorus, your body wouldn't be able to produce energy, repair cells, or maintain strong bones. How much phosphorus do you need? The recommended daily allowance, RDA, of phosphorus for adults, 19 plus years, 700 mg per day. Pregnant and breastfeeding women, 700 mg per day. Children, 9 to 18, 1,250 mg per day, higher due to bone growth. Children, 1 to 8, 460 mg per day. Most people get more than enough phosphorus from their diet, especially if they consume protein-rich foods. Best food sources of phosphorus. Phosphorus is found in a wide range of foods, especially those high in protein. Animal-based sources, best absorbed by the body. Salmon, 100 grams, cooked, 280 milligrams, 40% DV. Chicken breast, 100 grams, cooked, 220 milligrams, 31% DV. Eggs, 1 large, 100 milligrams, 14% DV. Milk, 1 cup, 250 milligrams, 36% DV. Cheddar cheese, 30 grams, 180 milligrams, 26% DV. Plant-based sources. Lentils, 1 cup, cooked, 370 milligrams, 53% DV. Almonds, 30 grams, 136 milligrams, 19% DV. Pumpkin seeds, 30 grams, 330 milligrams, 47% DV. Brown rice, 1 cup, cooked, 150 milligrams, 21% DV. Potatoes, 1 medium, 120 milligrams, 17% DV. While phosphorus is abundant in plant foods, it is often in the form of phytates, which the body doesn't absorb as efficiently. Animal-based sources are more bioavailable. Vitamins and minerals that help phosphorus absorption. Phosphorus works closely with other nutrients for optimal function. Calcium works together with phosphorus to strengthen bones. Sources: dairy, leafy greens, and sardines. Vitamin D helps the body absorb phosphorus from food. Sources: sunlight, fatty fish, and eggs. Magnesium regulates phosphorus levels in the body. Sources: nuts, seeds, and whole grains. If you don't get enough vitamin D, your body may struggle to absorb phosphorus properly. What happens if you don't get enough phosphorus? Phosphorus deficiency, hypophosphatemia, is rare but can occur in certain conditions, such as chronic alcoholism, malnutrition or starvation, certain medical conditions such as kidney disorders, diabetes, or hyperparathyroidism. Symptoms of low phosphorus levels include weak bones and teeth, increased risk of fractures and tooth decay, fatigue and muscle weakness due to poor ATP production, nerve issues, numbness, tingling, or confusion, weakened immune system, more prone to infections. Since phosphorus is found in so many foods, deficiency is very uncommon in healthy individuals. Can you get too much phosphorus? Yes. High phosphorus levels, hyperphosphatemia, can be a problem, especially for people with kidney disease. When phosphorus levels are too high, it can weaken bones by pulling calcium out of them, cause kidney damage by overloading the kidneys, lead to heart disease by contributing to calcium buildup in arteries. The tolerable upper intake level, UL, for phosphorus is 4,000 mg per day for adults, but most people don't come close to this unless consuming too many processed foods with added phosphorus. Hidden sources of excess phosphorus: soft drinks, phosphoric acid, processed meats, fast food and processed snacks. If you're eating a whole food diet, phosphorus overload is unlikely. To wrap things up, phosphorus is essential for bones, energy, and DNA formation. The RDA for adults is 700 mg per day. It's found in protein-rich foods like meat, dairy, fish, beans, and nuts. Vitamin D and calcium help with phosphorus absorption. Too much phosphorus, especially from processed foods, can harm the kidneys and weaken bones. For most people, a balanced diet with whole foods provides all the phosphorus you need, no supplements required.